Have you ever wondered how life on Earth withstands the harsh conditions of space? Let's dive into the fascinating world of our planet's invisible shield, the magnetosphere. This is no ordinary shield but a dynamic, invisible force field that cocoons us, playing an irreplaceable part in preserving life as we know it. At the heart of this protective measure is the Earth's magnetic field, a natural phenomenon that might not make the daily news, but is indeed our silent guardian. It's like an immense cosmic umbrella stretching thousands of miles into space. But how does it work, you may ask? Well, the Earth's core is like a giant bar magnet. It's spinning, and this creates a magnetic field. This field extends from the interior of our planet to where it meets the solar wind, a stream of charged particles emanating from the sun. Our magnetic field meets this solar wind head-on, but it doesn't bow down. Instead, it acts as a formidable barrier, deflecting these particles and preventing most of them from reaching our planet's surface. Without this shield, the solar wind's high-energy particles could strip away the Earth's atmosphere, including the ozone layer that protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. But the shield does more than just ward off solar winds. It also protects us from cosmic rays, high-energy particles from deep space. These particles are constantly bombarding our planet, and without our magnetic field, they could cause significant damage to all forms of life. You see, the magnetosphere is a bit like an unsung hero, constantly at work, tirelessly defending us from invisible foes. It doesn't seek recognition or applause, but without it, our planet would be a very different and much less hospitable place. So, Earth's invisible shield serves as our planet's very own superhero, constantly protecting us from unseen dangers. And just like any superhero, it has a crucial role to play in the story of our past, our present, and our future. So buckle up as we explore the science behind this shield, its impact on our past, and the implications for our future. Now that we know what Earth's invisible shield is, let's delve into the science behind it. This shield, more formally known as Earth's magnetic field, has its origins in the fiery depths of our planet's molten iron core. Through a process called dynamo effect, this swirling, convecting, and electrically conducting fluid generates our planet's magnetic field. It's a bit like nature's own power generator, ceaselessly at work, deep beneath our feet. This magnetic field extends into space, forming a protective bubble around our planet known as the magnetosphere. Picture it as a colossal, invisible shield, constantly working to keep us safe. And believe me, there's a lot it's protecting us from. Enter solar winds. Emanating from the sun, these streams of charged particles are always hurtling through space at speeds of around 1,000,000 miles per hour. Yes, you heard it right, 1,000,000. These particles carry with them the sun's magnetic field. When they reach Earth, they interact with our protective magnetosphere. Without the magnetosphere acting as a buffer, these solar winds would directly hit our planet. This could have devastating effects, stripping away our atmosphere and exposing life on Earth to harmful solar radiation. Just imagine, everything from our climate to our technology, even life itself, could be drastically different. This invisible shield is also responsible for the beautiful phenomenon we know as the northern and southern lights. When solar particles enter the Earth's magnetosphere, they sometimes collide with atmospheric atoms and molecules. These collisions emit light, creating the breathtaking auroras we see near the poles. So, in essence, this invisible shield is not just a barrier, but a dynamic, life-preserving system, constantly interacting with the sun's output to create a livable environment here on Earth. Without this shield, Earth would be a much more hostile place, and life as we know it might not exist. So next time you glance up at the sky, remember the invisible force field tirelessly working to keep us, and our planet, safe and sound. The Earth's invisible shield isn't just a protector in the present day, it has played a crucial role in shaping our past. As we delve into the annals of history, it becomes clear that the shield has been a silent yet steadfast partner in the evolution of life on Earth. The shield, with its magnetic might, has been deflecting harmful solar winds and cosmic radiation, creating a habitable environment that has allowed life to flourish. From the first single-celled organisms to the diverse ecosystem we see today, the shield has been a constant, working tirelessly in the background. The shield's influence even extends to our human history. Some scientific studies suggest that changes in the shield might have influenced significant historical events. For instance, there's a theory that the shield's fluctuations may have played a part in the mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs. This theory posits that a weakened shield could have allowed more cosmic radiation to penetrate the Earth's atmosphere, leading to drastic climate changes and ultimately the demise of the dinosaurs. The shield's influence isn't limited to catastrophic events, though. It may have also played a role in the development of human civilizations. With a strong shield in place, early humans could safely migrate and settle across the globe. The shield's fluctuations might have even driven some of these migrations as humans sought out regions with a stronger shield protection. And let's not forget the northern and southern lights, those ethereal displays of color in the sky. These are a direct result of the shield interacting with solar winds. For centuries, these lights have inspired awe and wonder, influencing our art, culture, and even our mythology. In essence, the Earth's invisible shield has been an unseen force guiding our past. It has silently shaped our biological and cultural evolution, and even the course of our history. It's a testament to the profound interconnection between our planet and the cosmos. Indeed, our history has been invisibly shaped by this remarkable shield. What about the future? What role does Earth's invisible shield play in what's yet to come? As we stand on the precipice of tomorrow, we must consider how Earth's invisible shield, our magnetic field, will influence our future. One aspect of this involves potential pole reversals. While it sounds like a concept from a science fiction novel, pole reversals are a natural phenomenon that have occurred multiple times in Earth's history. During these events, the north and south magnetic poles literally switch places. While it's not something that happens overnight, the process can have significant implications for our planet. A pole reversal could lead to a temporary weakening of the Earth's magnetic field. During this period of reduced strength, more solar radiation could reach the Earth's surface. This doesn't necessarily mean we'll be dealing with a sudden influx of harmful rays, but it could have effects on our technology, particularly satellites and other space-based systems. In addition, a long-term weakening of the Earth's invisible shield could have substantial implications for life on Earth. The magnetic field plays a crucial role in protecting us from solar radiation. If it weakens, we could see an increase in the rate of skin cancer due to higher UV radiation levels reaching the surface. It could also impact our climate, potentially contributing to global warming. On the other hand, a strong and healthy magnetic field could help mitigate some of the effects of climate change. It could potentially deflect more of the sun's radiation, helping to cool our planet. The future of our invisible shield is not set in stone. It's influenced by a complex interplay of factors, many of which are still not fully understood. But one thing is certain: the health of our magnetic field is of paramount importance. It's not just about protecting us from solar flares or ensuring our compasses point north. It's about our survival, our future, and the future of life on Earth. Clearly, the future of our planet is closely tied to the health of our invisible shield. Now that we understand the importance of Earth's invisible shield, what can we do to protect it? This question brings us to the crux of our discussion. Human activities can potentially harm our planet's invisible shield, and it's high time we delve into the specifics. One of the most significant threats arises from large-scale electromagnetic disturbances. These disturbances, often triggered by human activity, can distort the Earth's magnetic field. Think of it like throwing a stone into a calm lake. The stone disrupts the water's tranquility, causing ripples to spread across the surface. Similarly, electromagnetic disturbances can cause ripples in our planet's magnetic field. Over time, these disturbances could weaken the shield, leaving our planet more vulnerable to solar wind and cosmic radiation. But it's not all doom and gloom. Scientists around the globe are working tirelessly to monitor and understand the shield better. They use advanced equipment to track changes in the Earth's magnetic field, hoping to identify patterns and potential threats. For instance, the European Space Agency's SWARM mission, launched in 2013, is dedicated to precisely this purpose. The mission involves a trio of satellites constantly monitoring our planet's magnetic field, allowing scientists to detect even the smallest changes. This data helps in creating predictive models, which can forecast potential disruptions to the shield. These models then serve as an early warning system, giving us a chance to take preventive measures. But science alone won't save our shield. It requires a collective effort. We need to be cognizant of our actions and their potential impacts on the planet. We can start by reducing our energy consumption, which directly correlates with the number of electromagnetic disturbances we generate. Remember, every little bit helps, and no action is too small when it comes to the health of our planet. So, let's make a conscious effort to protect our planet's invisible shield. Just as the shield protects us, we must do our part to protect it. After all, our future depends on it. Sure.